Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm doing a quick impromptu video because my personal spoiler just arrived. So this is our new style. I don't know what I'm calling it. It's like a Freedom Design style ZR28 style spoiler, but with a notch. So I haven't seen one in person yet. This is the first time and I can't wait to open it. This is the packaging that it came in. Yeah, we pay UPS to package these. We drop off completely naked parts and pay them to package it to make sure that it gets there safely. But kind of, we'll see what she looks like on the inside. You know, it's the inside that counts, right? Hopefully the inside's all there. Here we go. We got scissors and fillet knife. So, good job, UPS. This is packaged well. Okay. You're killing me there. Oh. There she is. And there she is. Okay, so got the parts out of the package. They look great. I didn't have any damage. I'm super happy about that. I have no issues at all. I'm just actually showing you a tip. So these parts are ready to paint, ready to prep and paint. We do not send anything painted. Don't let the cool looking black gel coat finish fool you. We do this so that you can run it on your car for a little while, let the heat from the sun cure it and bake it. That's what you can tell your friends until you can afford to paint it. But when you get like a microfiber cloth and just wipe it over, because there's gonna be little, you know, black fuzzies and things like that, because this thing's been in transport forever. And so any little stickies from the tape and stuff like that, you can just get off. So if you're not gonna get it painted right away, at the very least, use this just to pull any contaminants out of the gel coat. Make it easier on your body guy later. That's it. Yeah, these look really great. I'm going to do some close-ups in a second. Just gonna wipe them down. But I'm very happy. Trying to just, you know, pretend I'm a customer looking at this stuff and like, I'm very happy. I am a customer, I paid for it. Alright, so I just finished wiping them down with the micro cloth. And they look pretty awesome. So here's the back side of the spoiler. And then coming around to the front, depending on how you look at it. But yeah, that's tape. So yeah, this is gonna look really good sitting on the back. Got the little notch so you can still see cars behind you. And then we have the grill. She's fiberglass, so you can body work it just like any other fiberglass piece, like you would a hood. God forbid you ever get in a car accident, you can fix this as opposed to having to buy a new piece of plastic from us. But I'll show you the plans for this one. It's not necessarily for me to leave it blank, but put a little Chevy bow tie on there. So let's see how she looks. About there. This popped off like a little frog. So I don't have all the 3M tape off to stick it on here because I have to finish painting it first. But that's what she would look like if you had a 4th generation OEM IROC. That's it for today, because I'm gonna put those on my car, but I want to make sure that I actually take my time and show before and after videos. Today I just want to unbox that thing, show you how beautiful these parts are, show you the spoiler one more time. I honestly thought that when I did the unboxing video I was going to be just trashing UPS for the rest of the video as I filed a claim. I was happy to see that all the money we're paying them to package was actually well worth it. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. This is one of our new products. That's one of our new products. We're coming out with a whole bunch more. And hopefully if the rain clears up tomorrow, I'll have these on the car and make another video. So if you want to see that, please like, subscribe, drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. See what she looks like with her stock spoiler. In all her beautiful glory. I personally love the back end of these cars. I love how square and straight they were. Look at that. That is a thing of beauty. The square tips look perfect, but I guess it's time for us to change it up. And movie magic, just like that, there she is. Take a look at her. Such a much more aggressive profile. Now it's not obviously bolted on, I just stuck it on there so that the end of the video was not a letdown, so that you guys actually got to see a glimpse of what the product looks like on the car. And if I do say so myself, it looks really good, like really, really good. Give you some better close-ups of her, get an idea of what this looks like on the back. And it looks so good in the satin black. I'll probably keep it that color. Paint the version to match. Again, it's just loosely set on there, so don't judge the fitment. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, so let's flip the camera around and close the video out again. Alright guys, so I couldn't resist putting her on there. I think it looks spectacular. I'm going to paint the Berger panel black, put some stainless tips in there. We're going to put our exhaust on there. Sorry, stainless letter fill-ins for the Camaro section. I was thinking ahead to the exhaust that we're building. But yeah, I love it. I've been wanting to see this spoiler with a notch. Freaking Lord. 24 years? Yeah. 24 years. Here we are. Spoiler with a notch. I think it looks cool. Let us know what you think in the comments. What are you doing? What are you doing in there?